The story of Capello begins in 1960, during the years of the economic boom. A sense of freedom and dreams fills the air. Television becomes the most desired object. Fiat 600 emerges as a symbol of progress and modernity. Italy, once an agricultural country, is undergoing rapid modernization, and Capello plays a role in this radical transformation. The hard labor of farming needs to be alleviated. Brothers Francesco and Renato Capello, well acquainted with the rural world from which their family originates, open a small workshop in 1965 for the repair and sale of agricultural machinery. All of this takes place in Verzuolo, a small town in the province of Cuneo. Early 1970s. Man has just landed on the moon, and the Concorde, the fastest plane in the world, connects Paris and New York at supersonic speed in just 3 hours. In agriculture, the spread of high-yield crop varieties and new irrigation techniques drive a major shift toward mechanization. The Capello brothers specialize in the production and sale of corn harvesting headers, identifying vast technological and commercial potential in this product. From the very beginning, the company reflects the dual nature of Francesco and Renato. On one hand, their immense practical ability and technical expertise, and on the other, the intuition that leads them to explore new markets beyond national borders. A groundbreaking technological milestone is achieved with Capello's row-based corn header. Harvesting becomes more precise and faster than ever before, revolutionizing the entire industry. Meanwhile, overcoming logistical and language barriers, the Capello brothers explore major European markets such as France, Greece, Spain, and Germany. Encouraged by their success, they begin exporting to these countries in 1977. The 80s. Steve Jobs launches the Apple II, bringing home computing into many households and making technology accessible to all. Biotechnology advances introduce new techniques that influence medicine, industry, and agriculture. During this period of transformation, Capello corn headers once again revolutionize cereal harvesting. Capello introduces the horizontal stalk chopper to the market, an iconic innovation that still distinguishes the brand's headers today, allowing for optimal soil preparation during the harvesting process. Lower energy consumption, environmental sustainability, and customer-focused solutions are already fundamental pillars of the Capello brand. With a vision reminiscent of a designer who blends simplicity, functionality, and durability, Capello invents the first folding corn header in the late 1980s. The versatility of this innovation sets a new industry standard, anticipating future market needs. The company expands, relocating to the former Seldit factory, which will become its current production site on the outskirts of Cuneo. 1991, the World Wide Web was born. A new digital era begins, the age of the internet, which will forever change our lives. Capello establishes itself as a global synonym for versatility, innovation, and adaptability. The collaboration with Cat, ensuring the exclusive supply of corn headers to the US and Canadian markets, highlights the company's high level of organizational and production excellence, as well as its ability to build significant and lasting partnerships with key global players. The introduction of CNC machines and advanced design software allows the company to maintain ever higher quality standards. Elio, Alberto, and Andrea, the new generation of the Capello family, firmly take the reins of the company, transforming it from a craft-based organization into an industrial enterprise. The 2000s. Social media revolutionizes the world of communication, and smartphones become the emblem of this transformation. At the dawn of the new century, Capello expands its product range to offer customers a fleet of machines that meet all harvesting needs. the iconic Diamant, Grain System Eva, Spartan, Helianthus, and Quasar become industry benchmarks for harvesting corn, wheat, forage, and sunflowers. With a deep understanding of customer needs, Capello crafts its products through an industrial process while maintaining the artisanal attention to detail that makes a difference, an essential factor for standing out and adapting to diverse markets. At the same time, the company strengthens its presence in various regions by establishing branches in Europe, North America, and Asia, fostering direct relationships with a highly diverse clientele. Today, as artificial intelligence promises yet another transformation in our lives, Capello reaches the milestone of 60 years of history. The past and future are deeply intertwined in the brand's identity. History becomes a project to continue, reinvent, and improve together. A symbol of this identity is the new headquarters, built next to the production facilities in Cuneo. The redevelopment of an existing structure has given life to a building that reflects Capello's entrepreneurial vision, innovating while remaining aware of the path traveled. If product evolution, safety, health, and human integrity are the foundation of every new idea, 60 years of history provide Capello with the awareness to pursue an efficient, sustainable, and adaptable agricultural system. For 60 years, Capello anticipates the future